Looking for a conditioner that truly transforms your hair? Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner offers more than just moisture. It repairs, thickens, and smooths, making it ideal for chemically treated, heat-styled, or transitioning hair. If you want hair that feels nourished from root to tip, this formula delivers exactly that with its rich blend of natural ingredients and reparative properties. I've tried countless conditioners, but this one stood out immediately. The secret lies in its nutrient-rich Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which penetrates deep into the scalp to promote healthy hair growth. Alongside rice proteins, it thickens limp curls and smooths frizz, giving your hair volume and bounce without weighing it down. For anyone dealing with dry or damaged strands, this conditioner works like a deep treatment that softens and detangles effortlessly. What really impressed me was how it handled my color-treated hair. The anti-fade formula protects your color while revitalizing lifeless strands and boosting moisture. Plus, it forms a protective layer that improves the look of split ends, so your hair stays vibrant longer. Infused with rosehip and sesame seed oils, it nourishes your scalp and supports longer, stronger hair. Wheat proteins also play a key role in preventing breakage and shedding, which means healthier hair over time. If you're tired of dry, itchy scalp and dull hair, this conditioner offers a noticeable change. The 100% pure Jamaican Black Castor Oil soothes irritation and restores softness, making your hair feel silky and full of life. Whether your hair is natural, chemically treated, or somewhere in between, this conditioner adapts to your needs and helps you achieve your best hair ever. Worth a look if you want a product that combines deep repair with gentle care. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the nourishment it deserves and enjoy the confidence that comes with healthy, vibrant hair.